Joel, the shooter, gonna shoot Anthony. Anthony's gonna get shot today.
Alright, you ready?
Don't shoot me, you fucking dick.
Hey, you better not shoot my face, you bastard. Ready? Aim it at me. Aim at you.
Shoot, Joel, just shoot.
Aim a little bit downer.
Oh, there you go.
Go.
Dude, you get shot in the face. I swear to God.
Go.
Really queer. Oh.
Go.
Oh, that's it. That's it.
Alright.
Oh, Joel, that was a good shot.
Champion, boys, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, the champion. Yes. The winner is us.
Winner of what?
He got
Dude, he got shot right in the elbow.
Oh!
Okay.
Look at that, it's bleeding. Damn, you got my shoes too, and it's splattered off, and in my back.
Dude, he got all over
You
you.
barely got my back.
Oh, he didn't already get your back.
Like it skinned it, like it took it.
I heard it.
Fuck.
Homie.
I'm gonna do it. Look at that shit. Look at that. He was bleeding.
Fuck that. Dude, I never got blood on me. He's got you because he didn't get you with your clothes on.
Fuck.
You got shot without you. Shot. Joe, I don't trust you. Put the gun down.
Look
at that shit. So,
Fuck, that's nasty. Oh, he didn't show me that. But that right there. Look at that. It's bleeding, man. Oh, look at that one right there. It's bleeding. I don't know. Yeah. It's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap, Joel.
I got a break. What? I got
Joel. Joel.
What?
Your final words for the day?
Homie. Wait. This is a fucking good
Homie.
honor. This is an honor.
That's it.
That's it.
Alright.
Peace, bitch.
Alright. Let's see. And